Good morning, students. Continuation of the previous classes. Today I will teach that on the chapter number 6, Indices. Before starting the chapter, I am to give some properties of indices, or what is called generally laws of indices. Laws of indices. Number 1. Indices generally for that type of sum, that type of problem we are going to solve, which are in exponential form. The number exponential form is 2 to the power 3, a to the power x. Here 2 is the base, 3 is the power. Base and power form, that type of numbers generally included in the chapter indices. First of all, when base same, in the case of multiplication, power will be plus 2 number. In the case of division, power will be minus 3 number. A to the power x, that power y, power and then again power. Power will be multiplication, 4 number. A b to the power x, both the number power x, separately their x power, separately their x power. Number 5. And in the case of division, a by b to the power x equal to a to the power x by b to the power x. 6 number. A to the power minus 6. How to make the power positive in place of negative? How to make? 1 by a to the power x. If we write reciprocal form generally, this will be positive power. 7 number. A by b to the power minus x, generally b by a to the power x. 8 number. A to the power 0 equal to 1, always. If it is how, explain why a to the power 0 is 1, look here. A to the power 0. In place of a to the power 0, can we write a to the power 5 minus 5 or 2 minus 2? One number and that minus of that number, same number. Then a to the power 5 by a to the power 5. In the case of minus, separate base, this will be divide. Cancel 1. 9 number. Root of a. Root means the power half. 10 number. Cube root of a to the 1 by 3. Power 1 by 3. 11 number. N root of a. Any root. A to the power 1 by n. These are the laws of indices. With the help of these laws, we will do some problem on that exercise. Chapter 6. From the number 1, number 4, at first. Look here. 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power x by 3 to the power x plus 3 minus 3 to the power x plus 1. How to solve this type of sum? X power, don't know what is the value of x. In the case of plus in the power, separately base, that will be into 3 to the x into 3 to the 1 minus plus 3 to the x by. Understand? Same base, power will be plus. Power is plus, separately into form. 3 to the x into 3 to the 3 minus 3 to the x 3 to the 1. From the numerator, what we can take common? 3 to the x. What will be there? 3 is there, nothing is there, means after taking common, 1 is there. By 3 to the x, 3 cube minus 3. 3 to the x cancel. 3 plus 1, 4 by 27 minus 3. 3 cube 27, 3 into 3 into 3. 4 by 24 cancel. 1 by 6. Now question number 7. Little critical type of sum I am going to solve. Number 7. What is the sum? 7 root of a square by y root of minus 1 by 3 into 5 root of a square by cube root of y square into x to the power minus 9 by 2 by cube root of y into root y by x to the minus 3 by 5. X to the minus 3 by 5. Okay. How to solve this? At first, from the root, square root, cube root, 5 root, 7 root, you have to remove the root. What will be there? X to the power 2, 7 root, power by 7. To the power 1 by 7 means power by 7. Y to the power minus 1 by 3. 5 root x to the power 2 by 5. Y to the power 2 by 3. Cube root 2 by 3. Square root 5 root 2 by 5. Into x to the power minus 9 by 2. By y to the power 1 by 3. Into y to the power 1 by 2 by x to the minus 3 by 5. In the case of multiplication, if base same, power will be plus. If division, power will be minus. X, right? This one multiplication and this one division. This will be power will be plus and this will be minus. If you write on the top, that will be plus. 2 by 7 plus 2 by 5 minus 9 by 2 plus 3 by 5 as a power by y to the power. In the case of multiplication plus division, if you write this one down, that will be divided. Minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. This form. X to the power. Power, they all are power. Nine by 7 is there. 7 root, that one. Minus 9 by 7. Not 2. 7, 5, 7, 5, LCM 35. This was from the first line. 1 is there, minus 9 by 7. 30 by 7, 5 is 10. Simplify going on. Plus 14 minus 45 plus 21 by y to the power 3, 3, 3, 2. 6 LCM. Minus y by 2. This is 2. That number was minus 1 by 2. 6 LCM. Minus 3 plus 4 plus 2 minus 3. The first line, that number was minus 1 by 2 and this is the minus 9 by 7. Keep in mind. Not 1 by 3, minus 1 by 2. X to the power 10 plus 14 plus 21. 45 minus 45 by 35 by y to the power minus 6 plus 6 by 6. X to the 0 by, what is the 0? 1 by 1 equal to 1. Power 0 means 1. Now question number 2. Square root of 3 by 5 to the power x plus 3 equal to 27 to the minus 1 by 125 to the minus 1. Look at how to do. Square root of 3 by 5 to the power x plus 3. 3 by 5 to the power x plus 3 by 2 equal to square root half power denominator 2. This one right on the top 125 by 27. Change the sign. Minus will go up, this is the plus, this minus will go down, this is the plus. Three by 5 to the power x plus 3 by 2 equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3. 5 cube 125, 3 cube 27. We have to make this base same, then power will be same. 3 by 5 to the power x plus 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 5 to the power minus 3. This will be interchange, change that one, the denominator, numerator, numerator will be denominator, and this plus power will be minus. To make it reciprocal and sign will be changed. Now write, when bases are equal, then powers are also equal. Bases are equal, then powers are also equal. Okay. Base same, power will be same. X plus 3 by 2 equal to minus 3. Power will be same. Implies sign. X plus 3 equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 9. Plus will be minus 3, minus 6, minus 3, minus 9. 4 number 2. Number 2. Prove that. What are you going to prove? To prove x to the power a, x to the a power b minus c into x to the power b power b c minus a into x to the power c power b minus b into 1. This is going to show 1. Left hand side. X to the power a to the power b minus c into dot can be written c minus a into x to the c a minus b. Already I have mentioned in the laws of indices, power and power will be multiplication. Power again, then that power will be multiplication. X to the power a into b, ab minus ac dot x to the power bc minus ba, bc minus ba dot x to the power ac minus bc. Now base n, all the base x power will be plus now with same base, taking the one base, same base, that means ab minus ac plus bc minus ba plus ac minus bc. Bc cancel, ba cancel, ac cancel. X to the 0 equal to 1. Simple, this type of sum, very simple one. Now question number 5. Given s equal to 2 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3. Going to prove s cube minus 6s square plus 6s minus 2 plus 6s minus 2 equal to 0. Going to prove this one. From this step, what is the given portion? We have to proceed. We have to get that one. How to solve? Look here. This one is little complicated. Inverse sign. S minus 2. 2 can be taken in left hand side. 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3. Can give, this is the name. Equation number 1. Alright, cubing both sides. X minus 2 cube 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 cube. Both sides we have done cube. Inverse sign. A minus b whole cube formula. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. And this is a plus whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. When the case of plus, all plus. When case of minus, in the middle, that is the minus. A cube minus b cube minus 3 into b A minus B. And this is plus form 2 to the power 2 by 3 A cube. This is the A, this is the B. Plus B cube plus 3 into A into B in bracket A plus B. Formula just, we have expressed the formula. Written the formula. Now look here. Impress sign. S cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. Minus 6s in bracket x minus 2 equal to. Part will be multiplication 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. This 3 cancel. 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 3 into base same power will be plus. Base same power will be plus 2 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 by 3. In place of this, can we write x minus 2? In the equation number 1, we have expressed that one, we have reduced that one. Now that from equation 1. Now look here. S cube minus 8 minus 6 square plus 12x equal to 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 into 2 to the power 3 taken LCM 2 plus 1 x minus 2. S cube minus 8 minus 6 square plus 12x 6 plus 3 into 2 to the power 1 x minus 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 3 1. S cube minus 8 minus 6 square plus 12x 6 plus 6x minus 2. S cube minus 8 minus 6 square plus 12x 6 plus 6x minus 12. S cube minus 8 minus 6 square 12 is equal to left hand side right. This is the right and left hand. 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 12 will be there plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. S cube minus 6 square plus 12 minus 6 plus 6x minus 8 plus 6 minus 2 equal to 0. This one mentioned in the question to prove. Now question number 9. Question number 9. What is given? Given portion 2400 equal to 2 to the power x into 3 to the power y into 5 to the z. We are going to find the value of x, y, z as well as 2 to the power minus x, 3 to the power y, 5 to the power z. How to find this one? Two 4 0 0, we have to do that factorize. 2 1 2 0 0, 2 600, 2 300, 2 150, 2 75, 3 25, 5 5, 2 3 5, 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5, 5 into 3 to the 1 into 5 square 2 to the x into 3 to the y into 5 to the z. Comparing both sides. X is 5, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. By comparing both sides, we are getting x equal to 5, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. Now we are going to find the value. 2 to the power minus x, 3 to the power 5 to the z. Therefore, the value of 2 to the power minus x, 3 to the power y, 5 to the power z. Minus s minus 5, 3 to the y, 3 to the 1, 5 to the power z. Means the value of z is 2. 1 by 2 to the power 5, 3 into 25. 1 by 32 into 75. Equal to 75 by 32. দেখা যাচ্ছে কি না একটু বোর্ড দেখা যাচ্ছে হ্যাঁ শেষ করুন শেষ করুন Okay, thank you. Next day, that chapter will be going on indices, and then we will start that triangle chapter. Thank you.